Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to be back here on YouTube making more videos, and what better way to start than with a hair video I've been dying to do because a lot of people have been asking me, a lot of my clients particularly, they have been asking me, how do you curl your hair? How do you curl hair? What do you use? And I thought it'd be a perfect way for me to do two videos in one in a way, which was curling my hair, showing you guys how to curl my hair, but also curling my hair with my favorite curling iron, which is the 3-Day Bender from Dry Bar. And it's honestly, you will see, it's amazing. You're gonna see that I look completely different from the video later on, but it's because I actually lost my footage to the first intro that I made, and yeah, had to do it in another day, so that is that. But yeah, I am planning on posting at least one video a week. So will it happen? I'm not sure. I hope so, because I am trying to be as consistent as possible with YouTube and with you guys, you know, give you more content and more of me. So with that being said, let's get started. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Again, comment, share, subscribe, hit that like button, all of that good stuff. So today I'm gonna be doing my ways, how I usually do my hair. And I'm gonna be using the 3-Day Bender by Dry Bar. This is so old, like too old. I literally got it when I first started working at Dry Bar. For those of you who don't know, I'm a hairdresser, and I've worked at Dry Bar since 2013 all the way to like 2019. So yeah, a while. So this is a little beat, but it still works great. That's how you know it's such a great product, because it's lasted me forever. But yeah, so it has only, this version only has one button, and it's the on button, and you just turn it on. And let's just leave it there while I part my hair. Guys, it's been such a long time since I've been back on YouTube, and yeah, I'm just gonna say I missed it. I honestly missed it. I don't really have a part. Also, I usually flip it back and forth, so I just let my hair do its own thing. I just push it back, and then wherever it falls, that's where it is. But before anything, I'm gonna be using the dry conditioner by Dry Bar, the Detox. I'll be showing you the Dry Bar Detox. And this product is very good for your ends. Mostly it kind of works like the dry shampoo, but it's just for your ends. You know how your ends get like a little dry sometimes when you go a while without washing it or something. But I just actually cut my hair, and yeah, so should be good, but I just feel like it needs a little refresh. And you can already kind of tell, like, it's like such a good kind of moisturizer for your ends, but I don't really know. I just feel like it's doing something, so I always do it. But I already put some dry shampoo as well, so yeah. So I start off by parting my hair in the front and just brushing it. And I use like, it's like a wet brush, but from Dry Bar. This one's very good. It's honestly my favorite brush. I like it more than the wet brush, because when I use the wet brush, my hair tends to, like, I don't want to say break, but it definitely tends to feel like a little, I don't know, like if it's actually messing up my ends or making them very damaged. Like right now I am looking for more of like a wavier look instead of curly, because of the fact that my hair is so short that I don't want to look like Shirley Temple. This is just not the vibe. So yeah, we're just gonna actually today go straight into it. So what I do is I put it like this, and then the cool thing about this curling iron is that it actually has like a moving barrel. I don't know how to call it, that part of it, but yeah, you just kind of let it go and it's already good, curly. See that bounce? And I don't touch it until the end because my hair tends to fall out sometimes if I touch it too quick, and you don't want to do that either. But yeah, I do it like this on this part, on this side of the head, because I don't like it when it's like going away from the face on one side and then on the other it's going in. Like, it just doesn't work like that. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves, when I see people that do that to their hair, and I'm like, oh my gosh, can I fix your hair? Part my hair all the way up now, and I just like clip it up, and then this part I divided in two because this already is getting thicker, and you can tell it's gonna be like a lot harder to get it all in there. I also have some layers that I'm growing out, so it's probably gonna be a little harder to do that. But I like to start kind of really high, close to my scalp. The closer the better, just because I feel like I want the volume or the body at the top rather than the bottom. Like, I like less of a curly look and more of a wavy look. So my hair curls really quick, so I have to like remember to drop it quickly as well. But yeah, guys, while I do this, I want to talk about yeah, just like a little update. So since I've been on YouTube, since the last time I was on YouTube, I actually already got married. Last time I was engaged when I came back on YouTube. I mean, the first time I started YouTube. And yeah, so it's been 2 years, almost 3. I think in March it will be 3 years without coming back to YouTube. So yeah, it's been a while. But yeah, got married. That was a crazy show. Like, it was insane. That's like another story time, I feel, because it's just so much happened during the process of this wedding. But yeah, so after that, 2 months later, actually, I ended up getting pregnant. So we were like, you know what, why wait? I'm already getting a little older, so I felt like that was the perfect time for it. And yeah, and he's 1.5 now. His name is Ezra. He's the cutest little boy. He honestly makes my days so much better right now at the moment. Just staying home with him, and it's literally such a blessing to be able to spend so much time with him at this age and stage in his life. I feel like it's so important to, yeah, to just give him the most time in the beginning. You know, like, kids will appreciate that later on, and it's just such a blessing, honestly. And I'm so thankful for my husband who allows me to be able to stay with him and, you know, take care of our son while he's working. But yeah, so that's kind of why I also wanted to go back to YouTube, because I was like, come on, it's been a while. I have so much time that I get so annoyed, because sometimes I feel like I didn't take advantage of all the time I had when I was pregnant, with like going back to YouTube and stuff like that. Like, I felt like it would have been such a perfect time to do it, but I just wanted time to focus on him and focus on getting better and everything, because pregnancy is crazy, and so is what's it called? Oh my god, you see what I mean? Postpartum, that's what I meant to say. It's just like a lot. It can be a lot on your body, it can be a lot on you as a woman. So it's like a lot. It's honestly like too much of a change at once. So I kind of wanted to embrace that time and allow my body to heal and stuff before I focus on anything that had to do with me, like YouTube. But yeah, so that was that. But it's been great, honestly. I just think this is the right time for me to go back. I've also been kind of I want to say like too hard on myself when it comes to coming back to YouTube, because of the fact that I really have been so negative on how I've looked since I've had a baby and all that. Like it's kind of embarrassing, but yeah, that can happen when you're, you know, when you just have a baby, and your confidence can go down, but it's fine. So that's honestly been another reason why I haven't been back, because I'm like, I'm just so awkward. Like, I'm such an awkward person, and I feel like I was literally being somebody I was not somebody I was not, but like I had this idea that everyone that's on YouTube has to be like super excited and super happy every time, and not every time you're gonna be super happy, or not every time you're gonna have so much energy. And for me, I'm someone that's very energetic, but I also, yeah, I can't do all the hyperness at all times. Yeah, but back to the hair before I forget to say this. So I typically, when I curl it, I just hold it for like 5 seconds, and then I let it go and pull. I haven't been doing that to all of them because, you know, I've been forgetting. But I like to pull it a little, just that way it has more of a wave instead of an actual curl. So yeah, that's just how I like it. And the closer I get to the face, the less I actually curl it like tighter. I just don't like the face framing area to be so curly, because I don't mind the back, but I feel like the front, I just don't like it. I don't like to look at it and feel like it's super curly. You know what I mean? It's just like one of those things that you have like a weird pet peeve. But yeah, look at that shine. Like this curling iron is so good, because of the fact that you can also use it as like an actual curling iron. So you just like clip it, and then this rotates, which helps so much. But yeah, let's just keep on going with this, because I feel like I can be here forever doing this. But this is just how I do it though, guys. I don't really do nothing crazy to my hair. Don't look at this. This is all postpartum hair loss. Insane. And I know I take like big sections in the front, but like I said before, that's because I don't like it being super curly with this curling iron. That's why I like it a lot. It literally lasts forever. Like my hair, I'll straighten I'll cut. Oh my god, I cannot speak. I will curl it today, and then 2 days from today it will still be curly. Like, it's insane. And the longer you leave it in, like curled already, I feel like the better it looks the other days, because your hair just like keeps on falling, but it still has that wave, so it looks more natural, and it's so nice. But yeah, to me, that's like the best. But anyways, back to the front. So right here, I like to kind of twirl it around, and this is the only spot where I will actually like rotate it and not use it as a wand type of thing. And then I just let it go, and it just gives it more of like a softer curl in the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so nice already, and I'm just obsessed. Can't. This curling iron is best, I'm telling you. And then I like to leave it for a few seconds to just do its own thing and cool off, because of the fact that it will fall out pretty quickly if I just run my hands through it. And it depends on the day also. If it comes out too curly, I will run my hands through it or the brush, but if not, I typically like to let it cool off a little and then go in with the brush. But I don't like to wait too long either, because I'm impatient. So we're just gonna get started with that, and I'm gonna just run my fingers. But you can also use your brush or comb, whatever it's easier for you. I like to use the brush sometimes to give it more of like body ish, because with the hands sometimes they like stick all together. And you can also curl it, and I can do another video on that. Some going this way, some going that way, but like alternating, not just all going this way and then this one all going that way, you know what I mean? So like it's just a little tricky, but I can do a video on that if you guys like. You can comment on the comment section and let me know if that's something you would like to see. But yeah, if you've made it this far, please, if you could just hit like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Sorry I've taken so long for those of you that have started with me from the beginning and now are probably like, oh, I forgot about this girl. But I'm back and I'm better. So yeah, that is that. This is how it looks. Look how voluminous and luscious that looks. Like, wow, crazy. But yeah, this is the curling iron. This is the 3-day bender. It's very good. I highly recommend it. Dry Bar did a wonderful job with it. Like always, they always go above and beyond with the products, and it's something that I really stand by even after not working there anymore. It's just like a company that I always rave about and always recommend to everyone, because it's just like such good quality. And as you can see, look at that, it's just so nice. Such nice curls. So yeah guys, that concludes the video for today. If you liked it and made it this far, again, if you could just share, like, comment, and subscribe as well if you're new to my channel, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for tuning in and keeping up with me this whole time of being away from YouTube and coming back. I am so excited and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys on different topics. So if you could just comment on the comment section down below any questions you have. I'm gonna be linking this curling iron down below so you guys can be able to purchase it right through the website. And also these clips are also Dry Bar. I forgot to mention that. Everything I own is mostly Dry Bar when it comes to hair tools, and also this brush I will be linking down, and this as well, because we all need it. I mean, look at the shine it gives you at the ends. Like, it's very good, and it keeps your curls nice and moisturized, your hair. So yeah, I will be doing all of that. And yeah, thank you for tuning in, and until next time.